Hello, and welcome to this installment of the British Broadcasting Bureau's production of the instructional documentary called Nature and Technology. We would explore how certain species react differently to technology in the workplace. First, we will observe the North American chimpanzee. This chimpanzee's real name is Jean-Claude. However, we will call him Roger. Notice how Roger reacts with pleasure, ease, and curiosity towards the computer. Notice how Roger shows no inhibitions towards technology. Next, we will observe the North American man, also known as a Yank. This man's real name is Dominique. However, we will call him Roger. Notice the young North American woman sitting at her station. This woman's real name is Ginger. However, Ginger has asked to be called Nancy, but we will call her Sally. Notice how Roger seems to show an inordinate amount of interest in Sally, much more than in his own laptop computer. In the corporate world, this is commonly known as sexual harassment. This sort of behavior is not tolerated at this company. Therefore, unbeknownst to Roger, he will most certainly be sacked after the filming of this documentary. It appears as if Roger was sacked immediately. From these scientific observations, we may indubitably conclude that the North American chimpanzee possesses a propensity to learn and to master new technologies in the workplace without any coaxing whatsoever. Unfortunately, because of his preoccupation with other competing interests, the North American man shows little initiative in learning and mastering new technologies in the workplace. On the other hand, he may just need a gentle nudge.